Hey, this is John Soares from JohnHikes.com. I am on top of the Sierra Butte, a little over 8,500 feet. I'm on the lookout tower, and before we get started with showing you all the beautiful scenery, let me just show you what is right below my feet. That is a long ways down there. A little spooky, kind of hard for me to look at. So anyway, let's come up here. That's Young American Lake. And other lakes down there. We're looking off. Right now we're looking off sort of towards the northeast. You can see heading off, that's looking way off towards Great Basin country. To the northeast, heading off into Nevada. I'm in the northern Sierras, of course. God, it's stunningly beautiful up here. Happens to be a very windy day, gusts up to 50 to 60 miles an hour. Whew, this is looking north into the North Sierra. Really nice clouds today. See the metamorphic rocks here on the ridge coming up to Sierra Buttes. Pretty stiff climb, probably about 2.8 miles to get up here. Man, this scenery is stunning. Lots of wildflowers on the way up, and just gorgeous views the whole way, but it all comes together here at the lookout. We'll swing around here. Beautiful clouds. That's looking off more towards the west, towards Sacramento Valley. Alright, I'm going to walk around on this thing. That's the Crystal Range. So that was looking off towards Desolation Wilderness and Lake Tahoe area. This is John Soares signing off. Beautiful place. Come get here. Wow.